times I need you, I never forget you. But I won't call you anyway. Nobody wins cause you won't call me anyway.
Hey, I'm gonna be grilling some steak. I got my steaks here. I have a few of my drumsticks over here, and here are the ingredients I'll be using. I have my nor, I have my thyme, I have my curry, I have a little bit of salt. Then in between, I like to put a little bit of lime and some lemon to either I'm grilling my fish, my ribs, or just name it. So I have those guys here. There's some right here. I have the ground cinnamon right here. I have my ground cinnamon. Some folks use this guy right here. It's called it's called Smacky Mount. But apart from that, I have my onions in place. In between, I'll be dicing them, and you're gonna see all of that. And this is habanero right here. Like I really like it spicy. I really like it hot. Not really extremely hot, but I like it really spicy. So in between, as time goes on, I'll be blending my habanero. I'll be blending. You know what? Most folks usually ask me, why do I prefer the charcoal grilling? I prefer that taste to gas, if that makes sense. So that's the main reason I prefer using the charcoal grill. But very soon it's gonna start getting cold, and we might have to move these inside, like probably use my oven, probably use my air fryer and all that good stuff. But it's a process though. Just join me and let's see how it goes.